Did you know that your morning yogurt could be secretly sabotaging your gut health? If you're over 50 and you've ever felt bloated, gassy, or just off after a healthy snack, stick around. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 3 seemingly innocent foods you should never mix with yogurt and 3 delicious swaps that turn yogurt from a gut gamble into a daily digestive supercharge. Yogurt, a living medicine that needs respect. Yogurt isn't just a creamy treat, it's a living medicine. Packed with probiotics, those tiny, friendly bacteria help you break down food, fight harmful microbes, and even boost your mood. But here's the catch: like any delicate medicine, yogurt needs the right environment to work. As we age, our enzyme levels shift, gut flora balance changes. A yogurt dish that once felt fine can now leave us feeling heavy and uncomfortable. Imagine yogurt cultures as tiny firefighters, working to keep your digestive fire burning clean. But if you throw the wrong fuel on that fire, you'll extinguish the flames instead of stoking them. That's why combining yogurt with certain foods can destroy probiotics, trigger fermentation, and rob you of the very benefits you seek. 3 yogurt pairings to avoid. A. Acidic fruits and melons, the curdle and ferment trap. Almost everywhere you look, yogurt is marketed alongside bright berries, oranges, and watermelon. But here's the science: acidic fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and pineapples cause dairy proteins to curdle both in your bowl and inside your stomach. Those curds sit heavy, ferment, and lead to gas and sluggish digestion. Melons, watermelon, cantaloupe pose another risk. Their watery sweetness rushes through your system, but yogurt lingers. The melon gets trapped, ferments, and triggers bloating or even diarrhea. Ancient Ayurvedic texts warned about fruit-dairy mixes thousands of years ago, and modern research still backs that up for anyone with slower digestion, which, spoiler, is most of us over 50. Real example: certified health reporter ABC News shared the story of Margaret, 72, from Columbus, Ohio. She couldn't understand her daily post-breakfast bloating until she swapped grapefruit slices for gently cooked apples. Overnight, the discomfort vanished. B. Heavy proteins, too much of a good thing. Think twice before adding a side of Greek yogurt to your steak or drizzling it on grilled chicken. Protein-dense meals demand high stomach acid to break down. When you pile yogurt's protein on top, your system struggles to keep up, slowing digestion and inadvertently killing probiotics with excess acid. Real example: Robert, a 68-year-old teacher from Madison, Wisconsin, loved his post-dinner Greek yogurt. But he found himself uncomfortably full and lethargic. By moving yogurt to a mid-morning snack, he freed up his digestive system and reported brighter mornings and lighter lunches within days. See spicy and fried foods, heating versus cooling confusion. A little spice can elevate a meal, but pairing hot peppers or greasy fried foods with yogurt creates an internal tug-of-war. Spices inflame the gut lining, fried oils weigh you down. Then yogurt's cooling effect clashes with those heat signals, confusing your digestive process and resulting in indigestion, acid reflux, and discomfort. Real example: every Friday night, Gloria, 65, treated herself to samosas dipped in yogurt sauce. Delicious as they were, she woke up foggy and achy. Once she separated her yogurt from her fried treats, reserving it for lighter afternoon snacks, her digestion and joint comfort improved substantially. 3 nourishing yogurt combos that heal. A. Cooked apples with cinnamon, a warm embrace for your gut. Why cooked apples? As we age, raw fruits with tough fibers can irritate. Gently cooking apples softens fibers and concentrates natural sweetness, no extra sugar needed. Apples are rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic, feeding your yogurt's probiotics. Cinnamon adds another layer. It's anti-inflammatory, helps regulate blood sugar, and calms the gut lining. Together, stewed apples and cinnamon transform yogurt into a soothing, gut-healing meal. Real example, Diane, 71, from Portland, Oregon, transitioned from yogurt and fresh berries to yogurt and warm apples and cinnamon. Within a week, she felt lighter at breakfast and looked forward to it again. How to prep? Core and chop 1 apple. Cook in a splash of water until soft. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Let cool slightly, then swirl into 1/2 cup plain yogurt. Beat ground flax and chia seeds. Tiny seeds, huge impact. Flax seeds deliver omega-3's natural anti-inflammatories and lignans, which support hormonal balance. Chia seeds, when soaked, form a gel that lubricates your digestive tract. Both are packed with soluble fiber to regulate bowel movements and feed gut flora. Real example, Thomas, 68, from Atlanta, Georgia, began adding a tablespoon of freshly ground flax to his evening yogurt. Within days, he noticed reduced bloating and sharper focus, a perfect testament to small changes, big results. How to prep? Grind 1 tablespoon flax seeds and slash or soak 1 tablespoon chia seeds in 3 tablespoons water for 10 minutes. Stir into yogurt just before eating. See cooked or soaked oats, a prebiotic powerhouse. Oats contain beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that supports heart health and feeds probiotics. Raw oats can be tough on digestion, but cooked oats or overnight oats become soft, creamy, and gut-friendly. Real example, Evelyn, 74, from Detroit, Michigan, had given up oats long ago due to bloating. She'd been eating dry instant oats with cold milk. Switching to cooked steel-cut oats topped with yogurt, apples, and cinnamon restored her energy and cleared her digestion within 2 weeks. How to prep? Overnight oats. Mix 1/2 cup oats, 1/2 cup yogurt, splash of almond milk, a pinch of salt. Add seeds or spices if desired. Refrigerate overnight. Top with fruit or nuts in the morning. Summary. Mistakes to avoid. Acidic fruits and melons. Heavy proteins. Spicy and fried foods. Smart swaps to embrace. Cooked apples and cinnamon. Ground flax or chia seeds. Cooked or soaked oats. Mindful eating tips. Enjoy yogurt as its own snack or light meal. Listen to your body's signals. Ask, what does my digestion need right now? Remember, adapting to change isn't failure, it's growth. Take-home message. Digestion is the gateway to vitality. When you honor your body's evolving needs with simple, informed swaps, you unlock smoother digestion, sustained energy, and a renewed zest for life. Tomorrow morning, when you reach for that yogurt, treat it like the living medicine it is. Give it the company it deserves, and you'll feel the difference from the very first spoonful. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you found these tips helpful, share them with a friend who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more evidence-based strategies to help you age stronger, healthier, and happier. Here's to your gut health and to thriving in every season of life.